I want to talk to you about not just dancing, but feeling the music. What you feel in the music is what makes you dance. It's what inspires you to create outside of doing what you learn in class. You have to put some of you into what you're doing. Not this some of you, but this some of you. I want you to start by learning where the beat is. I see a lot of you do a lot of steps. The steps are wonderful, but the beat is over there. So I want to get you with the beat. It's 2 and 4 that happens. It's 2 and 4 that swings. So when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, everybody. Feel it. It's kind of like your heartbeat. So when Frankie does that, now here 1 and 3, 1, 3, 1. It's called corny. Corny. We want to take you out of the corn patch and put you on the streets where it's happening. Come on, let's go. That's it. Whatever the tempo is. When the music starts, first feel the beat. First get the feel of it. Even if it's slower, it's it's called get down with it. Or pick it up. Or pick it up. You all have this. There's no reason that any of you can't feel the beat just because you didn't have drums at home. And we had them. And we were beating on trees when we didn't have drums. But it's still the same thing. I want you to feel it. I want you to think about it. Every time, learn the songs. Learn where the breaks are in the songs. That will help you to dance. That will help you when the band takes a break in the song, when you learn the song. You don't have to take, they call it syncopation in New York. You don't have to take syncopation when you learn the song. If you learn the song, whenever the band takes a break, you take it with them. Let yourself believe. Let yourself feel it. I can't say the word enough because I see people counting, I see people doing steps, but you can tell by the way they're dancing that they're not feeling. I saw Frankie showing you in here a while ago, just rocking. Just rocking. Get the feel of the music when the band is playing. You get the feel of what the band is doing. Henry Mancini. That song before. God bless you. God bless you. But now you know you can do anything you want to do to that song. And it won't take you long. It won't take you as long as most of you think, because I know a lot of you are thinking, oh, I can't do that. I can't do that. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. I cannot instill that in you enough. You can do it. You can do it. All you have to do is feel the beat. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you.